What's up, y'all? Trucker's Life, and we back with another meal. This is Truck Cooking with Theee, Trucker's Life. Okay, we got a stick of butter, as you see, a teaspoon of flour, about a quarter onion, sliced up. You know, it is what it is. Okay, we got those going. Butter's melting down. We got some ginger. Put some ginger in this thing. There we go. It gives it that nice, beautiful flavor. Put some garlic in this thing. Y'all know what garlic do. About a teaspoon of garlic. We got some chili garlic sauce. I'm gonna put about 2 teaspoons of this in here. We got salt, of course, Himalayan pink salt. Put that on there. White pepper. Turmeric. Paprika. Some chives, freeze dried, of course. Oh shoot, that was a lot. I'm gonna take some of these off and put them in the trash. We got some sesame oil. Some Worcestershire sour sauce. And some sesame seeds. If you want the sesame seeds to cook and kind of blend in with the flavors too. There we go, and we'll be back. All right, y'all, we back. And I put the shrimp. I put about a quarter pound of shrimp and about a cup of mushrooms in. So we're gonna let this cook and we'll be back at plating time. All right, y'all, we back. And we about to plate this up. We'll get some shrimp. Get some scrimps going. And then not just shrimp, but we gotta get some sauce too. Go. We'll grab the last shrimp right there. There we go, y'all. This is what we did. That's what y'all did with me. I'm out. Alright, y'all, we about to go inside and try to get another taste test. We're probably gonna have the same guy. We're gonna try to get another person to add on to it. So I'll be right back. This is made in my truck again.
Let's go, round 2. Oh. That melts in your mouth like butter, bro.
I know.
Whoa.
Go find one of the other ladies over here.
Hey.
Let's find somebody.
Yeah. You want to try something? Give me a second. Here. I'm going to get my fork. You want to bring that over to me?
Oh, no, just hold it right there. Here we go, y'all. We got another taste test. It's about to blow her mind. Watch this.
That'll be good. You get shrimp on that?
that was really good. That was really good, yeah.
Dude, no, he makes good food. I had his seafood spaghetti yesterday. Nothing's wrong.
You got a fork ready?
Hey, watch this blow his mind.
Alright.
This is all made from scratch in my truck.
From scratch?
Yeah.
A little bit of everything.
He had my seafood spaghetti last night.
Dude, I literally downed that last night, like as soon as you left out.
You make that in your truck?
Yeah. You guys are gonna be on my TikTok.
A little kick to it too, it's good.
You guys are gonna be on my TikTok.
Oh, nice. Say hi.
TikTok then.
You gotta follow me too, cause you gonna be on my TikTok.
Commented, so
You gonna be on my TikTok.
they should get that shrimp in there.
Where is it? Oh,
This is what I got earlier.
Dude, I'm telling you, yesterday I had his.
This is made from scratch.
yeah, I had it with you. It's fucking fire.
This is made from scratch in my truck.
You gotta follow me, man. What's your TikTok?
My TikTok is TRUCKERSLIFE78.